All right, let's have a listen to your heart.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, deep breath in and out. Sounds good.
Is everything normal?
Yes, your heart sounds perfectly healthy.
That's a relief. Thanks.
Your heart sounds stable, but we'll do one more test to be sure.
Thank you, doctor. You speak so kindly. It makes me feel less afraid.
Team, our focus today is on compassionate care and smooth coordination. Understood. We'll support each other. Absolutely. Teamwork makes it happen. That's the spirit. Let's make a difference. Team, let's review the charts and get to work. Yes, Dr. Alina, I'm ready. Great. We'll start with patient updates. All cells set. Data is syncing. Dr. Alina, room 204 needs attention and room 210 is ready for discharge. Thank you. Please take a short break after this. You've been working non-stop. Nurses are the silent strength of healthcare. Respect makes care stronger. The test results are back. It's good news.
Excellent. What are the key findings?
Cholesterol's down. We can adjust the dosage.
Good. Let's proceed with that. Alina, you've handled many cases today. You should rest.
I will, after one last patient. It's been such a long day. I hope the next patient is the last one. I think I've been staring at these charts for too long. Some days are exhausting. Even doctors feel weak, but purpose keeps us standing. You look tired, my child. It was a long day, Amma. Your support gives me strength every single day. No matter how strong you are, family is the real medicine.
But you saved lives today. We are proud of you.
You're our hero, Alina!
Thank you. That means everything. To all patients, trust your doctors. To all doctors, never forget kindness. And to everyone watching, care for each other. This is not just my story. It's the story of every healer.